Hello, it's Cici from JustKidi Photography Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I remove some of the unwanted background using Photoshop. So first start with this image. I want to remove this part of the light. Okay, so background, I do a Ctrl J to duplicate a background layer. Then I select using lasso tool wherever I want to remove. Just roughly go select the light area and hit Shift Delete on your keyboard. Shift Delete. Content aware, make sure you pick content aware, normal, 100% opacity, and OK. Then Command D to deselect. Now this bit here, I want to remove it once again. So select using lasso tool. Again, Shift Delete. OK. Command D or Control D for deselect. It's all done. If you want to finalize or go to the details, you can use the cologne tool or the spot healing tool. Normally I use a cologne. Adjust to the size and opacity usually 20 to 30% to start with, to stamp the area that you want to cologne. Stamp that area because it's blurred, it's supposed to be blurred, more blurred in here, so stamp here and cologne there. Adjust the size of the brush, go to the details, okay. So if you want a more sort of blurred effect, I would create a new layer and create a new layer, and then using a brush, B for brush, opacity 15, around 15%. Pick an area, the color that you want to cover, and slightly paint over the edge of this image here. Okay, merge. Now I see the edge here, that's a sharp edge. So again, once again, lasso tool to select, Shift Delete, content aware, we'll see what happens. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Go to the details if you want to color once again, just to make it more smooth. The transition is to make the transition looks more natural. This repetitive patterns here looks a bit fake, so you just want to sort of make it more random. Larger size of brush, it's too dark. Let's just slightly lighten it up. There's many ways to retouch this blurred background. You can also use a blur, Gaussian blur in the filter, but most of the time, just want to quickly fix the background, I do this way. And I think I need to make the background a bit more softer. So again, using a brush, the brush to go over the background, and it's more like a dreamy effect. It's to your taste. It's just brush to your taste, not too much so you lose the texture. Okay, merge. Let's see before and after. It was before. Now also fix that white patch there using the same method, content aware, and then that's after. I think this area needs a bit more blurred. Okay, before and after. Hope this tutorial helps. Thank you very much for watching.